Governments and governments want access cause they can't resist. Their interest is to weaponize and enlist interdimensional beings who have abilities, who have intentions to pose as higher entities. But their deceptions are shown throughout history, and who they are and what they want is not a mystery, cause we've made contact, we're going way back. Through every culture and town they've had an impact. They've come to lay traps, the hearts are pitch black, and now we're under attack, truth has been hijacked. These are not light beams, man, that's a pipe dream. If you can see through the veil, it's like a fight scene. Sinister visitors are diabolic monsters, mischievous tricksters, sick, wicked imposters. They promise wisdom for sacrificial victims. They need the blood, it's the rituals they're driven, and the elites are the ones that feed these demons, and they're controlling many people for a season. Aliens and UFOs, fallen angels and mind control. Do you really know who's friend from foe? These are the things that we expose. Computers, robots, outer space, a secret underground government base. Did we evolve from the apes? So many questions that we face. Evil elitists who offer no apology, witches and warlocks controlling our technology, sigils and symbols and logos in their imagery. They sold their souls into a lion and facsimile. Uncanny valleys, it seems strangely familiar. The grand finale, changing DNA with CRISPR. The grand illusion, the alien deception. They laid the groundwork since history's inception. All these connections are more than a coincidence. Humans controlled and played just like their instruments. And yes, our government is deep into the cover-up. Research the Collins elite and do some follow-up. Aleister Crowley, Jack Parsons, and Babylon working. Google the moon child, it's disturbing. What you'll determine is our history's been hidden. The fallen angels have been here since the beginning.